Welcome to the custom Airhead tutorial. This is super easy to personalize with any theme or character. If you don't have the template yet, make sure to grab it. I'll leave the link in the description. Also, be sure to check out the other matching school supplies templates. Before we get started, let me quickly show you what's included in the template. First up is the design guide. This helps you understand what each shape is for. Next is the editable template, where you can change colors and designs on top of and within the shape dimensions. And lastly, you'll see a drag and drop version, perfect for adding images, patterns, or anything else you want to make it your own. First, I'm going to choose the image I want to be on the front. I want it to look like a ruler, so I'm just going to grab one from the elements in Canva. You can choose whatever you want, and you see and pick something from Google if you want. Next, I will crop down the image to fit most of the front. I want it to basically fit the entire shape, but I'm also going to change the color of the shape to match the color of the image for the background. After, I will lock the shape twice so nothing drag and drops into the shape before moving and overlaying the ruler on top. Now, crop down more as needed to fit the shape. Change the color of the backsides of the airhead or add a pattern. Now, I'm going to go to Google and find a PNG image with transparent background of the logo. I'm going to save it and upload it to Canva. Then I'm going to resize and adjust it as need. Once everything is designed, we're going to save it. You're going to hit share, then we are going to select it as PNG, and then you are going to select the current page and hit download. Lastly, we are going to print. When we select print, we are going to change the page size to US letter borderless to ensure it prints properly. And there you have it. I hope the tutorials and template was helpful. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you on your next creation.